Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to use filters on YouTube Shorts. Simply open up on YouTube application. After opening YouTube, just tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle of the screen, and after tapping on the plus icon, now you have to take a shot or just upload a shot from your gallery. So just tap on the middle red color button, and after tapping on that, you will start taking a shot. So after completing your shot, now in the right side of your screen you can find the following options. So you can select this option, which is effects. So after selecting effects, what you can do is just simply add an effect to your shot. So just select an effect that you like. After selecting an effect, here you can find appearance, lenses, background. So you just have to select any one of those options, and after adding them, what you can do is just simply tap on the tick icon. And after tapping on the tick icon, now you'll again find a white color tick icon in the bottom right side of your screen. What you have to do is just simply tap on it. And after tapping on it, now what you can do is in the right side of your screen you will find an option which is filters. Just tap on filter, and now you can select a filter that you like. So if you want to add a black and white filter, you can do that by just selecting it. And after adding a filter, what you have to do is just tap on the tick icon which is on the bottom right, and after completing everything, what you can do is just simply tap on next, which is on the bottom. And after tapping on next, now you can add a hashtag, you can add your location and anything that you like. And after doing that, just tap on upload shot, and after tapping on upload shot, you will upload this shot in your YouTube account. So that's it guys, this is how to use filters on YouTube Shorts. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.